What's up, guys, and welcome to Forex Success. So right here on this video, I just want to give you an update on volatility 10 index, how you can trade VIX10 successfully. Okay, so check out this trade I took right here. Actually on deep profit trading volatility 10 index. As you can see, I have a lot of positions running, and you can see my trade. It's about $160 profit. So I want to show you how I took this trade. Actually, this trade was taking purely price action. As you can see, just a long term frame, higher time frame analysis, to just show how to see how the market is going to go in the higher time frame that covers up what will happen on the lower time frame. As you can see on my screen, you can see right here we have this level right here at the stop where the price was unable to break through this point. And if you just zoom out this guy, you see that the market is actually flowing all the way to the downside. Go up to weekly time frame, you can see, guys, is a downtrend. So it's actually very much advisable to trade in direction of the trend. So that's exactly what I did, and this is what I called this trade out on the group. So if you're not in the group, you're missing out definitely. So click on the link at the description to join the group so that you can see the trades that I'm gonna be dropping right there on the group. So you can see, guys, the trade moved, the price moved right here. Started taking trades from here. Once you see a pullback, getting again, seeing pullback, getting. So I started taking this trade right from the top right here, hitting it all the way to the downside, and the market made this huge move. Also added some position right here and then breaking. So right now the market has successfully broken through the support level. So it's currently right here, and I can see nothing holding this guy from reaching this 644 level. And if you check out on the group chart, you're gonna see where I called the trade. Where is it? Okay, so this is it, September 27. Is it since 27? Okay, yeah, I called this trade September 27 will be. Is it 27? No, I don't think so. Okay, sorry guys. I called this trade October 8. That was, I think, 3 days ago. I called this trade on the group chat. So these are benefits of joining our group chat, Forex Success. So the link is at the description so you can join. You see right here, we hold this trade and we're actually on profit. Trade kept on moving. $51 kept on moving and moving and moving. You can see these are group members that took the trade, sending me a screenshot of their profit. So you can see where we are right now. The trade is still moving, yeah. So I'll just use this opportunity to bring to your notice, guys, if you want to join the Propfirm, I recommend MFF for you. The link is at the description below. As you can see right now, I took an account with MFF, a 50k account. I want to take it. So I'm also going to be dropping signals for this account. So you can also click on the link to the link is at the description below to create an account with MFF, so you can join while you join the group, so we can trade this and pass the challenge together. You can see my trades currently on the account right now. So back to the reason why we're here, volatility 10 index. How can you do this and make this successful? I told you 3 things you just need to watch out for. 1, just go to the higher time frame and see where the market is actually heading to, like where is it pointing out. Then you can scale down to the lower time frame and trade in that direction. It's as simple as that. So, and from the daily time frame, start seeing this rejection forming like a double top right here. My trend line was all active. I can see a trend line. Pointing all the way like this. You can see, so there was a rejection actually from the trend line, and when I went down to the 4-hour time frame. So guys, this is just it. Once you see it on a higher time frame that it's gonna sell, even if the lower time frame is actually pushing up, you are still very much, you won't be scared, because you know it's gonna sell at the end. It's just like the, how do I put it, maybe a country, yeah, let me put it as a country is saying there's gonna be a, let's say, a public holiday, then the state governor, as in the state 6450 level. That's my target. So while I'm also showing you this, I'm also showing you step index. Guys, I told you before that I had some losses on step index. According to my prediction, look at what step index did to me, guys. So step index closed out. It took my profits, it took my money. As I had some losses on step index around this point, then step index moved all the way to the downside. Actually, I took this trade from here, but then the market came down a bit and then pushed to the upside, took out my losses, and then it came all the way to the downside again. I equally know that from the higher time frame, step index is gonna sell. Like, this is the target area for step index. If you check it on higher time frame, you're gonna know step index is gonna drop, but the loss are actually discouraged me from entering again. So I'm gonna be looking at when step index breaks this support level. As soon as step index breaks this support level and retest, I'm gonna be entering again. So this is a trade, a trading opportunity again. I'm calling out for you guys for step index long-term trade, guys. This is it. And just so I inform you, we're starting our mentorship program up from 28th. So the registration is going to start from 28th of October. So if you're interested, you can simply join. Yeah, I'm going to be publishing the link, or I'm going to be giving you the update on how you can join our Forex Success Academy, guys. If you want to understand how you can trade the easiest way possibly, trade and make money, like trade without stressing yourself. That should be the caption for this program. Trade without hurting yourself. Exactly. So I actually have done a lot of that, whereby I trade and make money today, then the next day I lose it all, and then it just take my joy and to make me sad. So that's what I want to try and eradicate. You get? So how you can trade this thing and be really profitable without the trade taking your joy, your peace of mind away. So that's just it. So thank you everyone for watching, and make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Exactly, hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Definitely. So I know it's been a long time since I dropped a video and also a strategy, but just stay tuned, guys. The strategy is coming for you soonest. Definitely a strategy for step index, basically. So thank you. I know what we're trading synthetic indices, where you can find crash and boom, volatilities index and step index. The link to create an account with Deriv is at the description below, so click on that link and create an account right now. Thank you once.